In every generation, the church faces two invisible forces, one sent to minister, the other to manipulate. Angels are God's messengers, warriors, and protectors, moving in obedience to His word. Demons, by contrast, are fallen spirits who twist truth, infiltrate doctrine, and seek to divide the body from within. This message isn't about sensationalism, it's about discernment. The enemy rarely enters through the front door. He slips in through compromise, charisma, and confusion. Just as angels minister to those who inherit salvation, demons target those entrusted with truth. They don't just tempt individuals, they corrupt pulpits, distort theology, and fracture foundations. We must learn to test the spirits, guard the gates, and build with fireproof materials. This is a call to spiritual clarity, to recognize the subtle serpent when he speaks in the language of doctrine. Jesus did indeed make mud with his saliva and apply it to a blind man's eyes. This moment is recorded in John 9 verses 6-7. After saying this, he spit on the ground, made some mud with the saliva, and put it on the man's eyes. "Go," he told him, "wash in the pool of Siloam." So the man went and washed and came home seeing. Today's critics would have a field day with that scene. Let's imagine the headlines. Local rabbi uses saliva and dirt in healing ritual. Is this sanitary? Religious leader violates Sabbath law with unauthorized mud therapy. Blind man claims miracle after washing in ancient pool. Experts skeptical. And the theological watchdogs? They'd be dissecting it like a lab specimen. This method isn't found in Torah protocol. He didn't even pray, just spit. Clearly this is symbolic, not literal. Let's not get carried away. But that's the beauty of it, isn't it? Jesus bypassed ritual, approval, and tradition to reach the heart of a man in need. He used dust and breath, the same ingredients from Genesis, to say, "I'm still creating. I'm still restoring." Mud in the eye when healing offends religion. Contrast, Jesus opens eyes with mud. Demons blind eyes with doctrine. Metaphor, mud equals messy grace. Religion wants clean formulas. Jesus works in the dirt. Sometimes truth comes in forms that offend our expectations. Discernment isn't about comfort, it's about clarity. Angels minister, demons distort, and Jesus restores, even if he has to spit in the dirt to do it.